What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day here in the world of crypto. My name is Ali. So today in our video we are covering very exciting topic, which is about NFT. What is an NFT? How does it work? So stay connected with us till the end. Let's start our today's topic now. What is an NFT? A non-fungible tokens, commonly known as NFTs, are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replicated, having a unique identification code and metadata. NFTs function like communicators or information tokens, but unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, NFTs are not mutually interchangeable and are not fungible. The advocate of NFTs claims that NFTs provide a public certificate of authenticity or proof of ownership, but the legal rights conveyed by an NFT can be uncertain. The request of an NFT, as defined by the blockchain, has no inherent legal meaning and does not provide other legal rights over its associated digital files. In 2021, NFT sales volume nearly touched the $25 billion mark. Large multinationals like Facebook and Nike, along with many startups, are betting on NFTs. A non-fungible token (NFT) is basically a digital asset, or can be called a cryptographic asset, having a unique identification code and metadata which differentiate it from a fungible token. As with cryptocurrencies, they cannot be traded or exchanged at equivalent values. The difference between fungible tokens and cryptos is that cryptos are exactly the same and, therefore, can be used for commercial transactions. As a result of tokenizing tangible assets, a more efficient method of buying, selling, and trading them is developed, as well as a reduction in fraud. Furthermore, NFTs can be used to represent individuals' rights to property and identities. How does it work? NFTs work on blockchain technology. Each NFT has the potential of several different applications due to its distinctive construction. The digital asset management platform is an ideal vehicle for digitally representing physical assets, such as real estate and artwork. In addition to removing intermediaries and connecting artists to audiences, NFTs can also serve as identity management platforms because they are built on blockchains. NFTs can remove intermediaries, make transactions more efficient, and create new markets. Many crypto trading enthusiasts and art collectors use NFTs. Additionally, it can be used for digital content, gaming items, investment collateral, and domain names. As NFT is easily created from digital objects, it includes both tangible and intangible items, which includes music, tweets, GIFs, art, designer objects. Evidently, Jack Dorsey, co-founder of Twitter, sold his first tweet as an NFT for more than $2.9 million. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, thumbs up, and please do subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Peace.